A very warm good morning to all of you. Dear students, as you all know that we had already started with the chapter Principle of Inheritance and Variation, and so far in that chapter we had studied about laws given by Mendel's and about chromosomal theory of inheritance. Today we will talk about couple of important things in genetics. Okay? Today we will study about linkage and recombination. So students, as the name suggests, linkage, link. Okay, so here we got an idea that in this we are going to study about something that is linked, that is joined to each other. Clear? As we are studying this topic under genetics, so obviously here we will talk about genes, those are linked, okay? And we all know that your genes are located in your chromosome, okay? So student, here I am drawing one chromosome, okay? We all know that genes are located in your chromosomes, okay? These are the different alleles of different genes, clear? Students, now you need to tell me that these genes are linked or not. They are joined to each other or not? Obviously not. Why? Because distance is too much. Okay. So here if I draw another, here you need to tell me that here these alleles of a genes, they are linked to each other or not? They are nearly linked, okay, as comparison to your situation 1, okay, means little bit more close to each other, okay. So if I draw here one more, okay, so now here you have to tell me that here your genes are linked, not that much but little, okay, because distance is less. And now the question arises that here your genes are linked to each other, yes, okay, because they both A and B genes, they have same loci, so these genes, they are linked to each other. Got an idea? Linked means when your genes, okay, when the alleles of different genes, they are joined, okay, they are linked to each other, okay, at that time it is known as linkage. Understood? Okay, so students, now it's your turn to tell me that in which of the chromosome there would be more recombinants. Now the question arises that now what is recombinance? Yes, okay. Student, about recombinance we have studied in our previous topic. That is, in your dihybrid cross, we have studied that the ratio of your dihybrid cross was 9:3:3:1. Remember? Yes. Student, 9 were your one of the parent, 1 was also your one of the parent. But these three were your recombinants, means they were different from your parents, and this was possible only when your allele of different genes, they were far away from each other. Clear? It is possible only when your genes are located at this much far distance, and not at all possible when your genes are too close to each other. Understood? Okay. So student, now the question may arise in your mind that how it is possible. Student, it is possible because we all know that there is one term named as crossing over. Yes. So student, when crossing over would take place, okay, we all know that your crossing over take place between homologous chromosome. So here chances of crossing over is maximum in case of your situation 1. Okay. Why? Because distance between two genes is maximum. If I talk about this, chances of a crossing over is less as comparison to your situation 1. Why? Because genes are little close to each other, okay, and it can cross over only here, okay, or if not here, then here. Understood? And there is no chances of crossing over here. Why? Because here there is no gene. Got it. Okay. So student, here this is your situation 3. What would happen here? Chances of crossing over is very less as comparison to your situation 1 and second. Why? Because distance between two genes are very close to each other. Okay, so for this it need to cross this. Understood? And if I talk about here, student, crossing over, the chances of crossing over is very less. Why? Because there is no gap, okay, between gene A and B, so there is no crossing over. Understood? Okay, I hope so that you have got a clear-cut idea about all these things. Students, on this basis only linkage further it is of two types, that is complete linkage and incomplete linkage. Student, as the name suggests, complete linkage means what? Your genes, they are completely linked to each other. Okay, and this concept was given by Morgan. Okay, when he did experiment on one of the fruit fly named as Drosophila melanogaster. Student, this Morgan is also known as father of experimental genetics. Okay, and your Mendel is known as the father of your classical genetics, whereas Morgan is known as father of your experimental genetics. Clear? Student, this Morgan, he worked over this Drosophila melanogaster and found that there were some linked gene. Okay, and when there were some linked gene, there was no recombinants, and the ratio, in spite of 9:3:3:1, it was 8:8. Okay, so student, what type of genes he found in Drosophila melanogaster that were linked? Student, he worked over two characters that were your body shape, body color, and wing. Okay, so what type of body color? It was your gray color body and normal wings, and second were your black body and vestigial wings. Clear? Capital G, capital G, capital W, small g, small g, small w, small w. Okay, when he crossed these two, okay, in F1 generation, so it was dominant only. Okay, that is your gray color and normal wings were there. Okay, but in F2 generation he found that the ratio was 8:8. Why? Because the genes of your gray color and normal wings, they were linked to each other. They were very close to each other, and there was no chances of crossing over. So there was no recombinants in your F2 generation. Clear? Student, this was against the laws given by Mendel. Okay, student, Mendel was fortunate that he didn't get any linked gene in Pisum sativum. If might be he would get, then his laws were failure. Okay, so he was fortunate in that. But Morgan, okay, when he worked on this, he found that that the law which was given by Mendel is not always right. Okay, it is right but for certain plants, not for every individual. Okay, so I hope so that you have got a clear-cut idea about this. Student, in one line, I just want to give summary that more closely the genes are present, okay, lesser is the chances of formation of recombinants. Clear? Means lesser the distance, lesser is the chances of recombinants. More is the distance, okay, more is the distance between the genes, more is the chances of formation of recombinants, and lesser the distance, less is the chances of recombinants. Okay, so I hope so that you have got a clear-cut idea. But if still there is any query, please do call me. Thank you and have a wonderful day ahead.